I'm Angie with Junkyard Farm Girl. I want to share with you these Tim Holtz stickers that I've been using to embellish my paper ephemera art. These ornaments just turned out amazing with the addition of those stickers. It gives each one its own little story and makes its own little memory. I don't sell these books, but I'll sell you the stickers to make your own art if you come in and want to make something. They're just all different lines about Christmas, song names, wordage about Christmas. I got mine on Amazon. I made these Christmas cards using all sorts of paper ephemera, postage type stuff, and these stickers just really finished them well. I love how they turned out. This flat stripping is really neat little belts for my paper ephemera angels. This little poinsettia is actually a keepsake of Kale's. It was a barrette, and I think I will have to keep it. These others, it just gives them their own little magical story. I love them. I'm Angie, and I love to art with Tim Holtz.